Alright guys, so we got another package which we need for the intercooling system. In front of us is a little bit of piping that I actually have found in front of my house. Don't know why, but one thing before I actually start off, spoken about the AMR 500. Now I actually was very stressed, and that's exactly the reason why I did not film anything. I knew it was going to be a problem with installing everything, and that's exactly why I did not film it, because if I get stressed, I want to get my rest and I need to be accurate. So now, I mean, in the next video you guys will see a little overview of what's going on, what I have done so far. Oh, and by the way, it's not originally for the car, but I managed to get myself some iridium spark plugs for the from Bosch, which is a very good brand. But yeah, they are still. I hope they are coming on my way. I paid before I get the order, so yeah. Now, for shortly said, now I try, because the steel pipe here. The steel pipe has nowhere that the hoses are in here, as you guys can obviously see. There's no hold. There's nothing on here that can hold this in place. So that's where this one comes in handy. This is 60 millimeters, 46 centimeters long, and the turbo hoses are 63 and a half. So we are going to see if this is gonna fit inside, and once that's true, I'm going to see if this one is going to slide over it, and if that's also going to be true, let's see if I can tighten it up without that it's going to slide off. That's actually my plan. Now this is 63 and a half, and it does fit on it, and I mean, you can see it's not too much actually. Play a little bit, but that's exactly where this comes in handy. So I don't expect trouble. I'm gonna do that on this side and on this side to test a flat surface that's still very still it's coating on it, and here was a little bit groove. So das machen wir jetzt auch. Like that. So we are gonna open this up, and let's see. Let's see. Now there is another package still have to be sent, which is actually the pipe, but this one I found on the street. So maybe our solution is already here. So they can sheep das Rohr im Arsch. It was still 20 bucks, so it's okay. Oh. Okay. Aha, number one. Number two. Ich habe eine Nase gebrochen. Less likely, one thing I actually already have seen. Now, I mean, these are actually better than the previous ones, and both are from PQI. So, yeah, well, now the thing is, as you guys, maybe you guys have still seen the picture when the supercharger was over here and all this kind of setups. So this over here comes on the side of the intercooler, then this pipe will go in here like that, and it will go over here. That's actually how it goes. This is actually how it's going, the setup at least. Now, probably like so. Then the pipe, what is 90 degrees, is on our way, and this one actually has to go over to the supercharger. So we already got one thing on the supercharger itself, but we're gonna see if this really gonna fit in here. I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty tiny. Yeah, das wird noch schön. So I'm gonna back these off a bit. Let's see if that's gonna work like I want to. Let's squeeze them a bit in here. Ich krieg dich drin. Aber nicht, wo ihr denkt. So this is not gonna work. That was clear. So that's not gonna work. So I have to buy these clamps for it. And, well, I mean, it's actually okay though. This is actually how it's laying. So if I lay this flat, can see it. You can see the difference now. I mean, it's okay. It's not horrible. I might be able to manage this and make this a little bit more flat once I got a complete hose clamp. This one would not do the job correctly, because if I gonna put this like so, it's gonna only put it on the top, and you see on the sides it's getting its play. So that's not what we want to. So I need some other hose clamps for these turbo hoses. But anyways, I mean, here they are. So, ihr seid ein bisschen stramm. Hat jemand hier reingeschissen? I believe someone shitted in here. Huh. Schaut dir das mal an. Sieht aus, als ob jemand reingeschissen hat. Der war müde von all meinen Bestellungen. Na gut. So, okay. So that's actually that. Now, we only have to wait before we can go and make the rest. Anyways, guys, this here over here, what I got currently, this is how it comes. And we only need the 90 degree over here to go on the supercharger. This goes on the intercooler, this goes on this pipe. If this one is not gonna fit, we need the other pipe that's not even scented yet, and this one has to be tightened up as well. Anyways, now that's actually the video for now. It's a little small update, it's not too huge. I mean, I did not win the lottery or something like that, so no. But that's actually it. I think this might be a solution already to begin with the boosting Matisse and connect the intercooler correctly. So I hope you guys liked the video. Give a like. If you didn't like it, then dislike it and comment down below what was wrong or what you want to see better. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. So guys, this was Tuning Dutchy. I catch up guys with you the next time. Thanks for watching.